Good morning, students. How you are? Yes, I hope all are fine. Yes, when Tom aunt came to the Tom room, what she did? What she did? Let us see. Here, there. Now don't begin that groaning again. Open your mouth. Oh Tom, don't groan more. That's page number 12. Look at the page number 12. Okay, last. There. Now don't begin to groaning again. Yes, don't getting pain. The aunt was telling to the Tom, don't getting pain. Yes, no, don't get begin that groaning again. Open your mouth. Yes, just simply open your mouth. Your tooth is loose. Yes, of course. Well, your tooth is loose. Yes, after when she checked his tooth, automatically she told to him what? Yes, of course. Your tooth was loose. ಹೌದು ಇದು ಅಲ್ಲೇನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಳ್ಳಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸಡಿಲವಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. Your tooth is loose but you are not going to die. Tooth is loose but you are not going to die. ಹಲ್ಲ ಸಡಿಲಾಗಿದೆ ಬಟ್ ನೀನು ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೈ. ಏನು ಸಾಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೈತೆ. Not going to die. About that, Mary, get me silk thread. Yes, she asked Mary, what? You get the silk thread. Oh Mary, you get what? Silk thread. Right? Silk ದಾರವನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಂಬ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Yes, Mary, get the silk thread and chunk of fire. Chunk means piece. Chunk ಅಂದ್ರೆ piece. It means wooden piece. Chunk means what? Wooden fire piece. Just you get the silk thread as well as a wooden fire piece from the kitchen. Go to the kitchen and get the piece of fire. Piece of fire. It means chunk of fire. Chunk of fire out of the kitchen. Just go there and wooden is there. Wooden fire is there. Oh, go and get that. It's like told here. Automatically he was shocked. Tom was shocked because she was told what? Get the silk thread and chunk of fire. Let's continue. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹಲ್ಲು ಅಂತ ಡ್ರಾಮಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಆಂಟಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಓ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಡ್ರಾಮಾ. ಸೊ she did one plan. What? Yes, tell to her Mary ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ just get the silk thread. You get the silk thread as well as what? Chunk of fire. ಬೆಂಕಿ ತುಂಡೇನ ತೊಂಬ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿಲ್ಕ್ ಥ್ರೆಡ್ ತೊಂಬ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. Is it right? Let's see what's happened next. Oh, you don't auntie, don't bring the silk thread and chunk of fire. Don't bring. Yes, I am okay. So all this row was because you thought you would get to stay home from school. Yes, maybe you would like to stay home. So for this reason you are making drama. You are making what? Drama. Perfectly, I think you are all right. You are making a drama because you would like to stay in the home from the school. Yes, all this row was because you thought you wouldn't get to stay home from school and go fishing. Tom, go fishing. Idiot. Just like aunt blaming him. Then Tom, I love you so much. But you hurt me by this type of acting. You are making me hurt. I am hurt by you. ನನಗೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ನೋವಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೀವು ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಎಸ್ ಟಾಮ್, ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಯು ಸೀಮ್ ಟು ಟ್ರೈ ಎವ್ರಿ ವೇ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಮೈ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ you hurt me. It means what? You hurt me by your acting. By your acting. Outrageousness. It means ಅನ್ಯಾಯದ ವರ್ತನೆ. Outrageous means very shocking and unexpectable behavior. ಅಂದರೆ ನಂಬಲಾರದಂಥ ಒಂದು ವರ್ತನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಶಾಕ್. He felt shocked. It is called outrageous. Okay, then by this time the dental instruments were ready. Yes, don't worry. Dental instruments were ready. Hey, within 5 minutes you will be okay. Don't worry. By this time the dental instruments were ready. The old lady made one of the end of the silk thread fast. She did what? Silk thread. Then Tom's tooth with a loop and tied other the bed post. Means bed post means end of the bed. End of the bed. Okay, end of the bed. Here just tied the thread to the end of the post, and another point. She tried to just tie the teeth. See here, the old lady made one end of the silk thread fast to the Tom's tooth. She tried to tie the tooth one side, and another one side she already tied to the bed. What is bed post? See here, loop means sutako. Loop and tied other to the bed post. Then she seized the chunk of fire. Yes, she just moving. She moving with the fire. See here. Then she seized the chunk of fire and suddenly thrust it almost into the boy's face. Yes, open your boy. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Just you will be right. You will be right. I pulled it out. That loose tooth is there, that I pulled it out. This like she was telling. Thrust it almost boy's face. The tooth hung dangling by the bedpost now. But all trials bring their consequences. But what's happened? Whatever he did, that did not work out. Whatever he made the plan, all the plans are failure. See here, but all the trials bring their compensations. Right? Parihara. Compensation means what? Parihara. As Tom went into the school after breakfast, but after what's happened, he agreed. Yes, I am perfectly okay. I am going to school. Yes, he agreed. Then he wended. Wended means move. Wended means what? Move. Wended. It means what? Move. Move to the school. Move to the school after the breakfast. After the breakfast, where did he go? He go to the school. He was annoyed with everybody he met because gap in his upper row of teeth enabled him to the expected rate. See, he was annoyed. It means he hate everyone. Tom was hate all the boy. He hate, not love. He met because the gap in his upper row of teeth enabled him to the spectator in a new admirable way. Then he gathered quite a following of lads. Lads means boys. Lads means boys. Yes, all the boys are doing same thing. When you are a kid, automatically you are also doing this like when you want to stay in the home. That's like he was doing. Okay, it is a common nature of kid. Yes, following of lads interested in the exhibition. These, there were one of who felt jealous of Tom's new glory. Yes, I think everyone also felt about jealous about the Tommy plan. New glory and said it was not anything to spit like a Tom shower. Yes, here what's happened? Fox. When Fox did not get the grapes of bunch of grapes, the fox said that what? Grapes are sour. Grapes are sour. Sour means uli. Sour means what? ಹುಳಿ. ಹುಳಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ತರನಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ sour grapes said another one. ಅಂತ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. This is the story of Tom Sawyer. Is it understand? Okay. Yes. Word power. Just come to the word power, page number 14. I will send you the PDF file regarding the lesson. Just look at some points in the lesson. Page number 14. Word power. Just look at the word power. First meaning. Seize. Same meaning you have to do. Seize. Then awful. Then groan. Response. Then investigate. See here, in the box so many words are there. Just look at the box, so many words are there. Just you write same meaning. Okay, here capture, first word capture, then clutch, then grasp. All these are words meaning same, similar meaning, similar word. All these are. These means capture, clutch, grasp. Okay, then harmful. Harmful means fearful, then dreadful, after that horrible, after that what? Horrible. Okay, horrible. Then next, groan. Groan means moan. Another word meaning moan, grumble, then lament. See here, all words meaning same. Groan means moan, grumble, lament. Then next, response. Reply, answer, and reaction. Similar meaning. Then investigate. Examine, search, then inquiry. Just look these. All these are a similar word. All these are what? A similar word. Is it understand? Let's see next. Look at the next. Use the following phrases in the simple sentences of your own. Try to write, otherwise I will send you PDF file. Now look at the third main. What is the third main is there? Use the following pairs of words in the sentence to show the difference in their meaning. Yes, pronunciation is same but different meaning. Is it right? Here for example, weak and weak. Pronunciation is same but different meaning. First, weak means what? Physically weak. Yes, I am weak. Yes. Then 7 days in a week. Is it understand? Pronunciation same but different meaning. Then red light, break, then break. Yes, take a small break. take a short break. Okay, take a short break. Then here break means what? Yes, when you use the, when you are riding the bicycle, what you use? Brake. Is it right? Yes, I use brake to stop the cycle. To stop the cycle. This like. Then loose and loose. Loose and loose. First loose means what? Settle on the curve. Yes, my shirt is loose. Shirt is loose. Then he lose means I lose my purse. I lose my purse. ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಂತ. Look, lose means ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. He lose means settle ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Pronunciation is same, but different meaning is there. Is it right? That's right. Next, there and there. There and there. First there means ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. First there means ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ there means ಅವರ. Okay. Yes. They are. Yes. They are there. They are there. That is their power. That is their power. Is it understand? Arthata? Lose, lose. There, there. Just like other examples you do. Then grammar in use. Join the following pairs of sentence by using because. You have to use what? Because. You just join the sentence. An example given is what? He did not work hard. Word grammar. First minute. He did not work hard. Then second sentence. He failed. He failed. So what you have to use? Use because. You have to use because. Because ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ he failed because he did not work hard. Work hard. Okay. He has worked hard because see here. He will succeed. He will succeed because he has worked hard. Because he has worked hard. Then you should start early because it is a long journey. Just after one sentence use because. Okay, then he is not going to work. He is not going to work because there is a strike. There is a strike. Then it was raining heavily because the meeting had to be postponed. Tom had made a row over nothing because Aunt Polly was angry with him. Angry with him. Is it understand? This like you have to use the word because. Look at the second main. Rewrite each sentence using not any in the place of no. In the place of no. No place ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹಾಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ not any ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. For example what? He discovered nothing. He discovered nothing. So how you write? He did not discover anything. How you write? He did not discover anything. Is the answer? First one. That like come now where near me. Don't come anywhere near me. Then they found nobody at home. they did not they did not find anybody at home. Third one, how to write that? Let's see. Second manner, third one, how to write that? They didn't find anybody at home. At home. Okay. That fourth one. They did not go. They did not go anywhere. Anywhere after supper. Supper. Okay. Fifth one. Let's see. Fifth one. They hadn't done. They hadn't done any work for 4 days. For 4 days. Okay. Let's see last one. My uncle can't see anything without glasses. See here, this like you have to use what? Not and any in the place of no. In the place of what? No. Is it understand how to use not and any? Okay. Let's see here next. Correctly following sentence. Sid asked Tom what was the matter. So one example is given. Sid asked Tom what the matter was. What is the matter was? Helping verb, just you put the end. You put the helping verb end. See here how. One is already solved. That like the second one. Let's see here. Third one. First, Sid asked Tom what the matter was. This like you have to write correct. Then second one. I asked a little girl. The little girl what her name was. What were her name was. Then third one. Look at the third one. What is that? The teacher asked Misha where was she going. Where she was going. Let us see. Aunt Polly asked Tom why he was crying. Aunt Polly asked Tom why he was crying. This like you have to write, huh? Fourth one. Let's see fourth one. The teacher asked Misha where she was going. Just like you have to write. Then fifth one. I asked the tailor when my dress would be ready. Then sixth one, the teacher asked. The teacher asked Mohan, Mohan, why he had, why he had told a lie. Okay, this like you have to write the correct sentence. Yes, regarding this lesson, I will send you PDF file. So all the things you have to write in CW. Okay, see you in the next class.